5 signs your wife is unhappy and how to fix it. A happy marriage requires constant attention and effort from both partners. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, one partner may feel unhappy. Recognizing the signs of unhappiness in your wife is the first step toward addressing the issue and improving your relationship. Here are 5 signs that your wife might be unhappy and some tips on how to fix it. 1. Decreased communication. If your wife is communicating less with you, it could be a sign that she is unhappy. This might manifest as shorter conversations, avoiding certain topics, or a general lack of interest in sharing her thoughts and feelings with you. To fix this, initiate open and honest conversations. Create a safe space where she feels comfortable expressing her feelings without fear of judgment or criticism. Ask open-ended questions and actively listen to her responses. Show empathy and understanding, and avoid interrupting or offering solutions too quickly. 2. Emotional distance. Emotional distance can be a clear indicator of unhappiness. This may appear as a lack of affection, decreased physical intimacy, or a sense that she is withdrawing from you emotionally. Rebuilding emotional intimacy takes time and effort. Spend quality time together doing activities you both enjoy. Be attentive to her needs and show affection through small gestures like hugs, kisses, and compliments. Share your own feelings and experiences to encourage her to open up. 3. Increased irritability. If your wife seems more irritable and frustrated than usual, it could be a sign of underlying unhappiness. This might manifest as frequent arguments, criticism, or a shorter temper. Understand what might be causing her irritability. It could be stress from work, feeling overwhelmed with responsibilities, or unresolved issues in your relationship. Offer to help with tasks and responsibilities, and address any relationship issues through calm and constructive conversations. 4. Loss of interest in activities. If your wife has lost interest in activities she once enjoyed, it could indicate that she is unhappy. This might be evident in her lack of enthusiasm for social events, hobbies, or even spending time with you. Encourage her to pursue her interests and hobbies. Join her in activities she enjoys or suggest trying something new together. Show support by participating and being present, which can help reignite her passion and bring joy back into her life. 5. Withdrawal from relationship responsibilities. A sign of unhappiness may also be seen in her neglect of relationship responsibilities, such as planning date nights, showing affection, or making efforts to maintain the relationship. Take the initiative in planning dates and showing affection. Share the responsibilities of maintaining the relationship equally. Express appreciation for her efforts and acknowledge the things she does for you and the relationship. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs of unhappiness in your wife is crucial for addressing and resolving the issues. Open communication, emotional reconnection, understanding the root causes of irritability, encouraging her interests, and sharing relationship responsibilities are key steps to fixing the situation. A happy marriage requires effort and understanding from both partners, and taking these steps can help restore happiness and harmony in your relationship.